Good morning to everyone and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover British pound versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the British pound versus US dollar first. We have here two charts. One on the left is an hourly time frame and on the right is a daily time frame. So what we can see here is that the market is trading around this main 38.2s Fibonacci retracement from this low and this high. And market is working in some kind of the mini channeling mode to the downside with a lot of overlapping bars to the downside. Yesterday was an outside day close on the low, so today market naturally went a little bit lower. But we can see on hourly time frame, even the market is making lower highs and lower lows. Oscillators and MACD and stochastic are making higher highs and higher lows, which is a sign that we have a momentum divergence. So we also have a key, Fibonacci expansion 100% at 1.2310. So for now, from my perspective, we still have an upside cycle. And there is a chance for reaction up in the next period, so pay attention for rotation upside, especially if the market can trade and retake 1.2370, 375. We might see the rotation back to 1.2393, or even market to try to back all the way to 1.2468. Also key support cluster. We have another area, 1.2278. In case of the further downside movement, we also have very important pivot levels, 1.2311 and 1.2278. On the gold market, we can see also that market is diverging this morning. So market is making lower highs and lower lows, but oscillator is diverging, both stochastic and MACD. Again, we have a momentum divergence, and this is all happening around the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement and the cluster of the lows here in the background. So the cycle is still absolutely to the upside, and we have the lots of Fibonacci confluence around where the price is trading now. It's trading near the low, so this multi-day balance. So there is a chance of for the market to react back up. 1978, maybe 1985 might be in the play. This morning we have a momentum divergence, a potential rotation up back definitely might be in the play. A further bigger drop to the downside, for example, if the market can clear 1945 or so, then we might see 1920 and potentially even 1907. But for now, we don't see that on the tape, and I see the potential for the upside reaction in the next period. Speaking of the crude oil, we can see there that market traded 2 days, 3 days higher, and now it's rotation back to the downside. So it closed in the middle, not significant, good follow through, and we might see the rotation as we see now. Probably my market can retest 73.20 or maybe area around 72.72 area as well. So pay attention on that potential downside rotation. Market didn't have power to have any significant follow through, so this may indicate the downside rotation for today. And the Bitcoin, we actually we're just trading around this tail low that we have. I can see that market, we spoke about this range, and the market broke to the downside yesterday and had some kind of the follow through today. So we still have this low at 25,800 mark. Market didn't close below or traded below. So this will be interesting to watch at exactly this level here. It will be very important. Can the market prove this area to be like a support, or we can have a breakthrough and hold below? This is something that I will pay attention, which will basically then define, do we have a further drop or maybe reaction up, back up towards this consolidation. That will be all for this update, guys. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe and speak to you from tomorrow morning.